Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. Later that we do first derivative for the both side, and we have the u equals to the s dv, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to first derivative of s. Now for this one, we have u multiplied by v. So we have s first derivative f of s, and I will put the bounds from number 1 to number 4. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration from number 1 to number 4, and we have first derivative f of s ds. Now the integration of this one, we have f of s, and we put the bounds from number 1 to number 4. And now we have the final answer. So we put number 4 and number 1 cone here. This one we have f of number 4 minus f of number 1. So we have the value in here. So this one, that is about number 5. This one, that is about number 7. F of number 4, we have number 5. F of number 1, that is about number 2. So we calculate about this one. So we have number 10. This is the end. Thank you for watching.